Welcome everyone on the KubeEdge community meeting today. So it's May 13th. Today it's the Europe-friendly time meeting this week. So we have a few new attendees on the meeting. I would like to ask them to introduce themselves. Chenling, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm interested in KubeEdge, and I'm from Sony. I'm now we are do investigation of KubeEdge, and maybe we are ready to use KubeEdge. I'm very interested to it.
All right. May I know your scenario? I mean, what kind of use case?
Your miss is why we use KubeEdge?
Yeah, I mean, basically, so you are investigating KubeEdge. I'd also like to know how are you planning to use KubeEdge?
We want to, for now, we use Kubernetes for robotic, but we have a constraint is that cloud and cloud side and edge side cooperation, and now we from community we found KubeEdge is better than Kubernetes, so we are trying to do some investigation of it.
Okay, thank you.
Oh yes, thank you.
Okay.
I think
XJ.
yes.
Oh, sorry. Please go on.
I think I can share which we want to do in Slack.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. I would like to invite next the new attendee to introduce XJ.
Hello everyone. I'm XJ. Actually, my name is Xu and I'm a postgraduate student.
Sorry, can you speak a little bit louder? I can't understand you.
Pardon? I'm sorry.
Can you speak louder?
Oh, okay. I'm Xu and I'm a postgraduate student. I'm also interested in KubeEdge and I'm glad to do something in KubeEdge community.
Okay,
thank you.
All right. So, LZ. Hello, LZ.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Can you introduce yourself?
I'm LZ. I'm study in UESTC, and we are using KubeEdge for some platform. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I'd like to ask everybody, please leave your name here on the agenda, the attendees section. I will also send the link to the chat window. All right. So we have a few items on the agenda. So first, I think we can still go through the release 1.3 updates. We have the beta 0 last week, actually the week before. And currently, after that, we also got a bunch of fixes and document updates checked in. So maybe there's not much updates on this tracking spreadsheet because seems all the pending tasks are expected for the upgrade to Golang and upgrade Kubernetes. That's because Kubernetes upstream not yet upgraded to Golang 1.14. And also, I think the last one not yet get in is the install KubeEdge core as a system service. I think that one is still pending. The others are already in the beta 0 release. And so currently, I think a bunch of accepted updates, fixes are still in on the master branch. We are going to cherry pick them to the release branch. So hopefully we can get the release, the official release out by May 15. It's 2 days left. Okay. Any question or comments?
I think no.
Hi, Kevin. Hello?
Yes, we can hear you, Dave.
Yeah, I checked the spreadsheet. Looks like the 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the third item has been implemented, right? I saw the patch has been merged, but the status has not been changed. It's about the logs and the exe and edge.
Yes, the logs have completed, but the exe is still pending now.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yes, exe maybe need to pending to the 1.4 release.
Okay.
Kevin, can we go to the next point?
Okay, let's wait a while for queuing.
Dave,
Yeah,
can we
I saw.
go to the next part?
Yeah,
Oh,
I saw Kevin. Kevin has trouble to.
yeah, he wrote a message that the network is not stable.
I saw I saw Kevin trying to dial in with his cell phone, right?
Yeah, there's something wrong with cell phone. Let's move on.
I think we can go to the release planning. We go to the next point, yes. So currently there are 3 points for the next release. One is the execution of the ports on the edge from the cloud.
Your voice is a little bit weak. Can you raise your voice?
Sorry, can you repeat your question, please?
Cannot hear clearly from you.
Okay, I will try to speak a little bit louder.
Okay.
So we're going to the release planning for the 1.4 release. There are currently 3 main topics. The first one is the execution of the ports on the edge. Any question to this point? Okay. So the second one is a certificate rotation for edge node.
Yes.
Yes. Sorry to interrupt. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Many noise from your side.
Yeah, sorry, I'm sitting in the public area, so a lot of background discussion. I will mute when I'm not talking.
Yeah, let's go through the release planning for the 1.4.
Sufei, I hope I pronounce your name correctly. Do you want to say something about the certificate rotation for the edge node? Is that correct?
Yes, the certificate rotation for edge node is in our plan for 1.4 release.
I think maybe we can just put the owner on these tasks so we can know who is working on those things.
Yes, we can create a chat for 1.4.
I think we can create a spreadsheet for the 1.4 release too, or like the tracking spreadsheet for the 1.3 release.
Yes.
Thank you. The next point is the metrics server on the cloud. I didn't read the issue to this, so can somebody give a few notes about this point?
For the metrics server task, we create a task for the CNCF community bridge. Maybe have some students will do this, the metrics server in the cloud, support the metrics server in the cloud.
Some students working on this.
Yes. The metric server include and the certificate rotation for each node. These two tasks will done by some students.
Cool.
Yeah, for the CNCF community bridge.
Yeah, but currently we are going to have 2 slots, right?
Yes, we have 2 slots.
Okay.
Yeah, one slot is for the woman Go. Xu Jiejie is a Go student. She will do the certificate rotation for each node as one task in a community bridge.
So maybe we can just put the names here.
Yes.
Okay.
So, and the last point are the device CRD improvements for the release 1.4.
Yeah, so that's added by me. So there are a few organizations joining the discussion about this. So basically, their scenario is the industrial IoT, and they are trying to adopt some of their existing device to KubeEdge, but they found some limitation using the device CRD. So basically, the idea here is to improve the device CRD as well as the mapper reference implementation. So I think this one will fall in the group to be formed, the SIG device IoT. Sorry, a lot of background noise from my side. Currently, there will be a few people working together to work on this. So maybe we can just put the placeholder, the SIG device IoT here. And we can update the name once we have the primary contact.
Yes, that sounds good. Any further points to the 1.4 release planning? Nobody is saying something, so I think we can go to the next point. Is that correct?
Sure. I think we, if we don't have any other items now, we can move to the next. The feature planning, we can keep it open for a few weeks in the starting of the release period. Okay. All right. So move to the next. A little bit about miscellaneous things. We are going to have SIGs in our community, and also the governance document is already getting to the repository. So currently, there are 2 SIGs under discussion. So one is for MEC.
Kevin, can you scroll a little bit?
Oh, sorry.
To the bottom.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
One is the MEC. So MEC is short for multi-access edge computing. So basically, there are a few topics like 5G and also some technical edge computing topics are discussed here. So currently we have a Slack channel created, and also today, this morning we had a meeting to discuss about the SIG scope. I can add the document here later on. And another one under discussion is about the device IoT SIG. So that's one, as I mentioned in the future planning, there are a few organizations interested in improving the device CRD as well as mapper reference implementation. So we have also a channel here to start the discussion. Currently, the SIG scope are still under discussion. So I will just add some more details. Any comments or questions?
Not on this topic, but I had a discussion on Slack with, sorry, I have to check the name. Okay, I can't pronounce the name. It's about the telemetry data of the Bluetooth connector. Can somebody who's developed the Bluetooth connector work on this issue? It's issue number 1660. I post the link in the chat, sorry. Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah, so that's also relevant to the recently discussion of the device and the device CRD. But I think I need to double check if this is acting as expected or not. So a bit of updates regarding the recent discussion is that we think that telemetry data from the devices may not be sent to the cloud because the amount may be large, so we may have some application or TSDB to get it stored at the edge or get the data aggregated and just send one to the edge, to the cloud.
Yeah, hello. I think this is a bug for the 1.2.0, but we have fixed it in 1.2.1. The device state sent to the cloud. Yeah, this is really a bug in 1.2.0. Yeah.
Okay, can you answer this point on the issue, please?
Yes. I
Thank
think he can use the 1.2.1 to fix this.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Are there any further points which somebody want to discuss today? So I think we can come to an end of the community meeting today. I wish everybody a nice week and stay healthy.
Yeah. So thank you all for joining the meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mm.
All right. So just quick remind that the next meeting is next Wednesday, Beijing time morning. That next time would be Pacific time. So if any of you are interested in the relevant topics about MEC or device IoT, please join the corresponding Slack channel and join the discussion. Thank you. All right. I'm going to shut down the meeting. See you all until next week and keep safe.
Okay, bye-bye.
See you.
See you.